Hey YouTube! Today I'm going to show you how to play the D minor 7 chord. D minor 7. Your first finger will lay flat, covering the first two strings, the bottom strings, first string, second string. On the first fret, and then the second finger will go on the second fret and third string. This is how it's supposed to sound. The top two strings, the sixth and the fifth string, will be mute. You don't have to play those strings. The sixth string and the fifth string will be mute. You don't have to play those strings. You just play from the fourth string, everything down, and everything down below. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to keep updated for future lessons. Thanks for watching.